Most Native communities hoped to remain neutral in the American Revolution. There had been a long history of holding back from totalizing alliances with any one European power and trying to play off empires by leveraging politics. And these tactics meant that Native nations could gain access to European trade goods, to wealth, and military alliances without sacrificing their individual sovereignties. And playing off European empires had been a winning strategy for sustaining Native autonomy. But when the Revolutionary War broke out, most Native people saw it as a conflict between white colonists and their mother country. And they really didn't want to be involved. So although at first a lot of nations believed that neutrality would be a viable option, over time the war exploded into a continent-wide struggle with theaters in Detroit and Pennsylvania and St. Louis and Kentucky, and which all of these locations were either next to Native communities or deep into Native homelands. And so over the course of the war, almost no Native nation to the east of the Mississippi managed to preserve total neutrality. The politics of wartime alliance became topics of debate that would have major repercussions for those fighting on both sides.